Doing good. In this video, I will be showing you how to convert Google document to PDF. The first thing you want to do once you're on Google Docs, you're going to select the document that you would like to convert to a PDF. After doing that, you're going to go over to the top left-hand corner and you're going to select File. After selecting File, you're going to hover over Download. Then you're going to see the option PDF document. You're going to tap on that. Once you have done that, you can see in the top right hand corner right there that it has now been converted to a PDF, as you can see right here. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.